The supply chain is the backbone of the FMCG industry, ensuring that products reach customers on time and in the right quantity. At the core of the supply chain is a multi-layered distribution system that ensures smooth product movement from manufacturers to end consumers via CFAs who handle bulk inventory. From there, products flow through different distribution layers, including warehouses, superstockists, stockists, and retailers before reaching customers. Effective management of this flow helps businesses prevent shortages, reduce delays, and improve profitability. However, optimizing this complex supply chain is challenging. That is where Power BI comes in to enable insights into supply chain data. With advanced visualizations like the decomposition tree, businesses can track how stock moves across different distribution layers, identify inefficiencies, and make data-driven decisions to improve supply chain performance. Let us look at this dashboard, which gives us a clear image of how distributor flow works in the supply chain. The CFA is at the top level where all products are initially stored. From here, the distribution flows to warehouses, such as W1 and W2, which act as regional hubs. You can see that W1 has a higher distribution volume, making it a crucial supply point. Drilling down further, the superstockists receive inventory from warehouses. For example, Superstockist 4 receives 8,416 units, which are then passed on to Stockist 16. This level of breakdown helps businesses track how stocks moves through different intermediaries. Finally, at the last stage, we can see the sales channels, including e-commerce, where a portion of the stock is sold directly to customers. With a decomposition tree, we can analyze flow at every stage, identify supply bottlenecks, and optimize stock distribution efficiently. If a warehouse is overburdened or a region has a low supply, businesses can quickly adjust their strategy to meet demand. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.